Welcome to the second Clinic Prep training video. We will be covering the CyberPatient case library and how to easily create a class. This tutorial is applicable to both admin and faculty accounts. First off, the case library. Admin and faculty accounts can access the case library on the left-hand navigational panel. Each case is identified by inpatient, outpatient, and peer-reviewed. We cover systems such as CNS, cardiac, ENT, all the way down until surgery. Click the See More to view all the cases within that system, and press the play button to try the case out for yourself. At CyberPatient, we are continuously working on upgrading the case library and adding new cases. Now we can create a class. Admin and faculty accounts can do this by clicking Create Class under Class Management. You will start with a class name, description, course period, and instructor details. If you are an admin account, you can select an instructor. If you are a faculty account, you will automatically be set as the instructor. Now you will select the level and required passing percentage. Summative assessments are administered to students at the end of the class. However, it is important to set up the summative assessment criteria when creating the class. You may use CyberPatient's default criteria or create your own. Select Complete. And now it's time to add cases. When entering the case library in Create a Class mode, we will see the learning objectives for each case. You have the freedom to select the cases based on the learning objectives and align them with your classroom objectives. Click to add your desired cases. Select Done when ready. To add students to the class, search and select the students to add. Students may already be on the platform or still waiting to accept their invitation. As long as they've been sent the invitation, they can be added to the class. At any time, you can navigate to the Help Hub in the top right corner for more resources and tools on CyberPatient. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on the case library and creating a class with aligned learning objectives. The next video will walk you through how to monitor your class performance. Good luck and happy teaching!